Jai Hind to all. Our fourth chapter determinant is going on, and today we discuss some examples that are related with the properties of determinants and that are also the part of your exercise 4th B. Example number 1 is prove that this determinant, the first row is 2 7 65 and 3 8 75, second row, third row is 5 9 86 is equals to 0 without using expansion. Without using expansion means using properties. We prove that this determinant is equals to 0. For that, first we apply column 3 implies that column 3 minus column 1. सबसे पहले हमने ये ऑपरेट अप्लाई किया कि कॉलम 3 में से कॉलम 1 को माइनस कर दिया. इसका बेनिफिट क्या हुआ हमें, क्योंकि अगर 65 में से 2 माइनस कर देंगे 63 मिलेगा, 75 में से 3 माइनस करेंगे 72 मिलेगा, 86 में से 5 माइनस करेंगे 81 मिलेगा. और इसके बाद जो नंबर हमें मिल रहे हैं 63, 72, 81, वी कैन ईजिली टेक 9 कॉमन फ्रॉम द थर्ड कॉलम. क्लियर? आफ्टर अप्लाइंग this operate, when we change the third column we get 63, 72, 81 in the third column, and first and column second column remains same. After that we write 63 as 9 into 7, 72 as 9 into 8, and 81 9 into 9. And according to the property we can take 9 common from column third. Clear? Then we write 9 here, and we get 2 3 5 in first column, and second column same 7 8 9, and third column is 7 8 9. Then column 2 and column 3 are identical, then determinant is equals to 0. When any two row and column of determinant are identical, then the determinant is equals to 0. It is also a property. Then 9 into 0 is equals to 0. And example 2, prove that this determinant is equals to 0. We get third row 1 1 1. Clear? And in the first row we get x plus y, y plus z, z plus x. If we add second row in the first row, we get x plus y plus z, y plus z plus x, and z plus x plus y, and it is the same element in the whole first row. If it is same element in the first row, we can take common from the first row. Clear? After applying this operate we get x plus y plus z, y plus z plus x, z plus x plus y, and it is the same term in the first row. Take x plus y plus z common from row 1, and then we get x plus y plus z into determinant 1 1 1 is the first row after taking common, and second and third row are same, but row 1 and row 3 are identical, 1 1 1 1 1 1. It means determinant is equals to 0. After multiplication whole result is equals to 0. And in the third example, prove that this determinant is equals to this determinant. Clear? Firstly we apply row 1 implies that row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. After applying we get 2a plus 2b plus 2c, 2p plus 2q plus 2r, 2x plus 2y plus 2z. हमने ये ऑपरेट इसलिए अप्लाई किया क्योंकि ये ऑपरेट अप्लाई करने के बाद हमें फर्स्ट रो में से एक 2 तो कॉमन मिल जाएगा जो हमें प्रूफ में चाहिए कॉमन. क्लियर? ये अप्लाई करने के बाद हमें 2 फर्स्ट रो में से कॉमन मिल गया, and after taking common we get a plus b plus c, p plus q plus r, x plus y plus z in the first row and second and third row are same. After that we apply this operate, row 1 implies that row 1 minus row 2. हमने row 1 में से माइनस कर दिया row 2 को, क्योंकि जब a प्लस बी प्लस सी में से हम माइनस करेंगे c प्लस a तो हमें एक सिंगल टर्म बचेगी, जहाँ पर b, जहाँ पर q, यहाँ पर y, क्योंकि प्रूफ में हमें ये सभी सिंगल सिंगल ही चाहिए. क्लियर? तो देन वी गेट b q y in the first row and second and third remain same. After that we apply row 3 implies that row 3 minus row 1. Then in row 1 and row 2 remain same. We change only row 3 and that is APX. After that we apply row 2 minus row 3. Then we get, when we subtract row 3 from row 2, we get C, R and Z. And after that we interchange row 2 and row 3, and it is the property when we interchange any two adjacent row or columns, then the sign of determinant is change. Then we apply negative sign here and we change row 2 and row 3. But for proof, now we again interchange row 1 and row 2. Then we take again negative sign here, one more negative sign here, and APX we get in the first row and BQY in the second row after applying this operate, and negative into negative is equals to positive. We get positive 2 and it is the proof. Then hence proof. Clear? Thanks.